A national disaster has been declared in several provinces in Nigeria due to widespread flooding. The Red Cross says the crisis has been neglected and grossly underestimated. It has warned that the impact could be far-reaching if aid intervention is not stepped up and soon. The state-run National Emergency Management Agency has confirmed the Red Cross's assessment but has declined to comment further.
The Nigerian Red Cross Society is distributing humanitarian aid to flood-hit communities in more than a dozen states across the country. The government has set aside $8.2 million in emergency response funding, but the Red Cross says it's nowhere near enough. The agency has appealed for an additional $5.4 million. At least 2 million people are affected by the flooding, and more than 600,000 of them are living in temporary camps as they've been displaced from their homes.
For now, if we can get the 5.4 million Swiss francs we're looking for to support the government $8.4 million US, I think it will help to ameliorate to an extent, not totally eradicate, but lift the burden to an extent.
Faith Asagawa and her children are among hundreds living in this cool tent shelter. She says her home has been completely washed away. She made it here with a few possessions she could carry.
I'm very happy today that all these things Red Cross are giving us today. I don't know how to say it, I don't know how to speak it out, but I am thank God that God will bless them more and more.
This year's flooding is the worst recorded in Nigeria in more than 5 years. Although satellite images showed 12 states are affected, the Red Cross has documented at least 19. 8 agencies say the government needs to come up with a comprehensive plan that includes infrastructure, repairs and rebuilding after the flood waters subside. Susan Mongeli, CGTN.